My name is James Rees, I'm a sergeant on the drone team, and my shoulder number is 6873. Well, drones are a really important addition to the policing, and it's something that's not going away. This is an area of business that's going to get bigger and bigger. The weather's really changeable in the UK. We've got a nice sunny day today, but it could change in the next 10 minutes, and so we need equipment that's able to withstand those changes. The M300 weather capabilities, it's a great improvement on the previous generation. It's the wet weather and the ability to use that in increased wind conditions so that we can deploy on our coastlines, on our moorland, etc., and our rural areas where sometimes there's some inclement weather that would normally pose us issues with previous generations of equipment. The M300 has an IP rating, and that gave us the confidence that we'd be able to use that equipment safely. We've got a great thermal camera on there to allow us to look for missing people, because people do go missing in all types of weather. We found 4 high-risk missing people with it already this year, so it's really worthwhile. So the use of drones, it's opening up new avenues for us to get information intelligence, to gather evidence. So the M300 has been a great improvement for us and a great addition to our fleet. I think it's an area of business that's just going to grow and grow. And also I think it's important to focus on education within your organisation to tell people and show them what they can do and show how drones can add value.